Here we go, we're taking a movie. There's Jakey, and Lily, and Anna, and Benjamin.
And you.
And me. You want to look through the window? Yeah. Anyone have anything to say? Now you're all looking at it. We could all look at Jakey through there. There's Jakey Pies. But now he's the only one in the movie because you're all watching. Alright, we'll just watch Jakey Pies. Oh, Lily's coming in.
No, I can't see.
You can see.
Hey?
There's Lily. You guys want to get in there?
No.
No?
We want to watch the TV.
You just want to watch?
Hey, 2 pussies out, 2 pussies in.
Come on, don't you guys want to get in the picture?
No.
Hi, Anna. Silly goose.
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay.